Hi everybody, welcome back to Coding and Creating. Today I'd like to talk to you about Schoology and how to do your assignments for Coding and Creating if you're ever at home and need to view one of our lessons. So Schoology is a website and it also has an app if you're on a mobile phone or a tablet. This is the iPad app and it's in the App Store. It's called Schoology. I'm just going to hit open. Now I've already logged into the application, but if you're ever logging into Schoology, you use the option to sign in through your school and then take the option to sign in with Google and it should let you right in. Right up here in the upper left on the iPad app, you click on those three dots and you can go to courses and then you can see any classes that you're registered for. Here I'm going to go to session 3 bell 1 and you can see an example of what it looks like on the iPad. The way I have this course organized is I have up at the top, I have a link to share work, and that link is the same no matter what assignment you're doing. So you can always use that link to share any of your creations. If you go into one of these assignments, like here's December 16th, here's a photo lesson about self-portraits and action shots. It says watch the lesson, and then step 2 is to share your creations using the link to share your work. Now up here on the iPad app, I've got this little options menu and I can go ahead and show you the web version of the website too, just in case you're doing this on a Chromebook or something. This is actually what it will look like if you're doing it on maybe a Chromebook or something. So this might look fairly familiar. Right up here, if you're on a Chromebook or something, you can go to courses and then here's that same course for Bell 3 and you can do it that way, or you can navigate to your courses that way. And then here's the same thing, so it's the same content. The formatting looks a little different, but it says the same thing. Watch the lesson, check in and share. On the web version, you do get the little graphics, which are kind of nice as well. But here, let me just go back to the iPad version. So when you click watch the lesson, you just click the link and it takes you to the web page or to my YouTube channel and you can view the entire lesson. I've got the sound muted right now, but it takes you through the activity, the concepts, and explains what activity you'll be doing for that lesson. Once you're done, here I'm going to click right here where it says Schoology and go back to the Schoology app. And step 2 is once you've done the activity, you can check in and share your favorite creations using this link. So I'm going to press that link and it will open up what is actually a Google form that I've set up to collect your documents. So right here, this is the most important one. It says share your favorite creations by clicking add file. So right here, you click that little button and then right here in the center, it says to drag files here or select the files from your device. Since I'm on an iPad, I'm going to click that little button to say select from your device. And if I took some photos or something, I could go here to the photo library and then maybe tap on that photo if I wanted to share it. I could say add, and if I wanted to add some more, I could click right here. And down here at the bottom, it says the word upload. So I'm going to press upload when I'm ready. But before I do that, right up here it says My Drive. If you ever need to pull some files from your Google Drive, that's where you can click to get files from your Google Drive. Looks like it took away my photo. Here, I'll just click that really quickly again. So now I've got my photo ready. I hit upload and you'll see a progress bar go across. Now you fill out the rest of the form and then down here you hit submit. Now, one little problem that I'm aware of that I just wanted to give you a quick workaround is that if you're using the iPhone version of the Schoology app, there's a little error in the iPhone version of the app where these Google Forms don't work properly when you're adding files. So here's the workaround. In this lower corner, right down here in the lower right, there's a small icon right here. If you click right there on that lower corner icon, there's an option to open this form in Safari. If you do that, everything will work properly. So one little tip is if you're on the iPhone, click open in Safari to share your projects if you're using the iPhone app version of Schoology. Now your assignment for our remote learning day is to use all the cool tips and tricks that we learned about for photography. If you ever need to review any of those, the first 5 lessons are all written down here. And you can watch some of those videos, but take a couple pictures and then share with me your favorite photos. You should use that link, and that'll give you some practice sharing photos from whatever device you might use at home. Now, I know everyone doesn't have an iPad, so you might use a phone, a tablet. You could even use the webcam on your Chromebook to take a picture or two, and then try using that link to share your creations. If you have any technical problems or trouble, that's what this whole lesson is about, just giving you a chance to practice things. So don't sweat it if you have some technical issues. Just next time I see you, you can tell me about any technical issues, and I'll work with you to troubleshoot the solutions, and we'll work out any of those little problems that you might encounter along the way and get you all set up. So have fun with your remote learning day. Take a picture, use the link to share your work, and I'll see you next time. Bye.